Oh,
Jesus
you
Christ.
went too fast. Tucker, get that out of your mouth. I mean, I got Tucker pulling it down. Here we go.
Tucker. Uh-oh.
What is it?
That's Ryan there in the video. He's about 6'5".
Get it.
This dog is way too heavy.
Legs long.
Get it, Tucker. Oh, man.
Is it in the nuts?
No. He's like swallowing the sucker. Get it. Let go.
He's probably tired.
Let go.
All right, one more.
One more.
Yeah.
Tucker.
Come on, Tuck.
Get it.
Get it.
Get.
Get it, boy. Get it.
Get it, Tucker.
Get it. Get it, Tuck.
Get it, boy.
Come on. Come on. Get it. What's this?
Come on, boy. Get it.
Oh, I didn't.
Uh-oh.
Get it. Get it, Tuck.
Get it, boy.
Get it, Tuck.
Come on, Tucker. Oh.
Jesus. That was crazy.
Oh. You gonna let him have it after that or what?
Yeah.
You ought to.
Get it, Sadie. Get it.